Creamy, tangy, and so comforting. This chicken lemon rice soup is the bowl you didn't know you needed. Light, fresh, and satisfying. Sauté garlic and onion in olive oil. Add broth, rice, and shredded chicken. Simmer until rice is tender. Whisk eggs and lemon juice, slowly temper with hot soup. Stir back into pot for creamy finish. Greek-inspired comfort in every bite. Great for cold days, meal prep, or light dinners. Make a double batch. You'll want more. Like if you love cozy soups with a twist. Subscribe for more healthy and comforting meals.